I'm back with another super cool idea. And what is it? It's a perpetual motion machine, something that many scientists like Da Vinci and Davy Jones were trying to achieve. But can it truly go on forever? What is the mechanism behind this device? How does it work? Please let me know if my design is more appealing than Da Vinci's design. You see a glass encased metal frame inside, which a single axis is rotating, as well as the internal components of the perpetual motion machine, a metal shaft fixed by two handles and an axis made of compressed plastic with a white color, which is connected to the body of the fans at its two ends. Additionally, there are two shafts connected to gear and fans. But how does it work? The central shaft is fixed and there is a gear on it, which is also fixed. Two smaller gears that are inside the white shell are located on both shafts. And when the axis rotates on the bearings, the shaft also rotates with the gear. Finally, the fans start rotating several times faster than the main axis. And now we will check how the device works. Please keep in mind that the central axis is perfectly balanced, rotating with the least amount of force. When the fans rotate, they draw in air from the top and expel it through their openings. This action generates a force that moves the central axis. As the central axis rotates, the gears drive the fans, causing them to move in a continuous cycle of motion. There is an important consideration. Is it better for the pressure inside the box to be positive or negative? If it is positive, more force for movement is produced, but it also makes the axis movement more challenging. On the other side, if it is negative, the parts move in a vacuum, resulting in a less blowing force being produced. But the axis moves much more smoothly. In addition, it is necessary to adjust their gear ratio to achieve higher speed for the propellers. And as for friction, yes, the bearings should be replaced with magnetic bearings, and the gears should be replaced with magnetic gearboxes. This causes the friction to decrease a lot, and if I decided to make a prototype, I would definitely consider this issue, and I will be happy to know your opinion.